Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain CAD. In previous video we know about how to check symmetry by using manual face check. In this method we apply some planes, faces and 2 points for checking symmetry. Now we know about automatic symmetry split. This is also type of symmetry check, but this method is mostly used for finite element analysis. So I select this option. Now you can notice body for split. This dialog box is generated. Now I select this body and this body. See here, these both bodies are symmetry. So this is split into center. I select this split part. Now see in feature manager tree, here is plane 1 and plane 2 are generated. These both planes are that planes about which this part body is symmetry. So I press Ctrl Z. Now I remove some features. I select split. Press and hold Control button. Select this cut extrude 3 and boss extrude 3. Now press delete button and delete yes to all. Also delete these two sketches. Now again go to symmetry check. Select automatic symmetry split. Now see here, this is one part, this is second, and this is third. Now three parts are generated. I select this part and split part. Now here, this plane and this plane, two planes are generated. This part is symmetry about this plane and also symmetry about this plane. By this method you can check the symmetry of the part. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.